I'm Tony Rufo from Rufo Properties. Welcome to our latest project at 1407 Waverly Road in Gladwyne, Pennsylvania. There's still coverings on the floors and there's craftsmen finishing a couple odds and ends. The finished paint is not on the wall. The appliances need to come. All the finishing touches will be put on, and we wanted to give you a glimpse of our progress as of today. I thought, how would I want to live in this home? And that's how I really kind of developed the layout.
Hi, I'm Rachel McGinn with Berkshire Hathaway. So I've known of Tony for more than 20 years, but this is the first time that I've been able to work this closely with him and see what he does firsthand. Lancaster County custom cabinetry, glass shelving. It's going to be a bar area. What's this? Marble and 18-karat gold inlay. Tony's level of craftsmanship is top-notch, and I find him to be an old-school gentleman. He's got a high level of character.
Mariah, front and rear foyer, full customized wall paneling with custom over-the-top white oak railings, metal spindles. This is a classic stone mainline structure. We have bluestone appointees around the windowsills, lentils above the windows. The roof is a synthetic slate lifetime warranty with copper accessories, including barrel roof standing seams, copper valleys, and trim. You'll find this is not your typical new construction. This house is set up on its oversized lot to be able to take amenities that any executive buyer might wish to have. For instance, an oversized pool, a tennis court, extra garages. All the mechanicals are in place to be able to adapt to pretty much anybody's desire.
If you look at the quality of this work, you don't see this. This is commercial level.
So my idea was to put my expertise to work and create a very comfortable, very easy living layout using the best materials and products out there. I've been doing this for over 45 years, and all my expertise, experience, and know-how all culminated into this project, which I hope to share with somebody that can live and enjoy this. This mainline location warrants a classic stone mainline home, and I think we delivered that here.